Okay, it's February 10th. It's cold. It's supposed to be a blizzard, but I'm a little bit upset. This morning sucked. The roads were bad. But so far we got, I don't know, I'm gonna guess 6 inches maybe. Say it's possibly 5 more coming tonight. Is it bad that I'm hoping for it? Oh my god, it is cold though. And I like the cold, so that's saying something. Some neighbor's dogs out across the street. Neighbor over there seems to be snow blowing. Should play some basketball. Alright, ooh. Okay, before I was on a path, and that made it easier to say it was not very deep. It's deeper than I thought. Oh my god, it's cold! Damn you, wind! Oh, here comes snow blowing. So I guess this afternoon's going to be all these crazy winds we're hearing about, like 30-40 miles an hour. And then some more snow. Good thing we had the awning taken down. Can't even really see the roof right in the sky. Alright, so I'm going to head back inside. Because this is kind of crazy. It seemed like a good idea, but yeah, changed my mind. We'll check it out later. Now that is a deep footprint. Decided to go out back because, you know, I'm obviously crazy. And, oh my god. I miss our swimming pool. I mean, true. We didn't get to use it yet this year when we moved in. Last year, whatever. But look at that. It's crazy. It's covered, and even under the top of the cover is more ice. Oh. So yeah, I can see it's really beautiful, but you know, it's windy, the snow's kind of slowed down. Look at that, our grill's all covered. Kind of bleak. Kind of cold on the feet. Yeah. Let's chalk this up with the category of not good ideas.